Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable X Notices notifications on the X app. If you've been missing important alerts and want to make sure you never skip a notification again, this walkthrough is exactly what you need. Let's get right into it. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where all the main control options for your device are found, and it's the easiest way to manage how your apps send you notifications. Once you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to look for the option labeled Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. From there, scroll until you find the X app and select it. After choosing the X app, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can customize how the app interacts with you. Within this section, you'll also find something called Notification Categories. Tap on that to open up the different types of alerts the app can send. Now, here's the most important part. Find the category labeled X Notices. Once you see it, go ahead and toggle the switch on. By doing this, you're telling your device to allow those notices to come through. As soon as the toggle is switched on, you've enabled X Notices notifications successfully. From now on, every time the X app has an important update for you, it will appear right on your phone without you having to manually check the app. It's a small adjustment that makes a big difference in how you stay updated and connected. And that's all it takes, just a few quick steps, and your X Notices are ready to go. To recap, open your phone's settings, tap on Apps, select the X app, go into Notifications, open Notification Categories, and finally toggle on X Notices. Now you know how to make sure you're always notified right when it matters. This updated process is quick, easy, and ensures you never miss what's important.